Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple songs to a playlist on YouTube Music using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Play or browse through songs until you find one to add. Next to the song title, tap on the three-dot menu. From the list of options, choose Add to Playlist or Save to Playlist. A menu will pop up showing up existing playlist. You can either tap on an existing one or create brand new playlist. If you choose new playlist, just give it a name, pick privacy settings and hit save. That's your first song added. Now to add more songs, just repeat the same steps. Go back, find another song, tap the three dots, select add to playlist and choose the same playlist. You can do this as many times as you want and each song will stack into that playlist. And that's it. Now you know how to add multiple songs to a playlist on YouTube Music with your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.